Just when we thought point-and-shoot cameras were dead, Leica comes up with the new C-Lux compact camera. The real lure of this camera is that this is a Leica all of us can aspire to own. The highlights of the C-Lux is the 20MP sensor with 4K shooting capabilities. It performs well in low light thanks to a largish 1-inch MOS sensor, which is rare in cameras of this size. It can be a fast camera and shoot 10 frames per second. It can also offer really good 15x optical zoom and has great micro capabilities. It has 3-inch touchscreen to compose frames and navigate the menu. However, there will be those who prefer the electronic viewfinder. The Leica C-Lux is perfect for those who want the Leica touch in their shots with its unique mix of colors and contrast. You can also play around with the settings for preset modes and color combos. There is a lot more this camera can do. If you can spare Rs 85,000, look at the C-Lux as the most accessible Leica.